Hello, my name is Alex. I come from Slovenia. I'm 28 years old. And yes, we come from Ljubljana, Maribor, and the whole Slovenia. 50 people was today in Krakow. And why we come here? Because it was a great event, the biggest event in history of FutureNet. Yes, that's some kind of reward. It's bigger than me, yes, I'm just 1 meter 66 centimeters. This belongs to the whole team of Slovenia. FutureNet changed a lot in my life. I have been in some previous marketing, but have never seen such a vision as in this company. So I leave my work, I work only network marketing for the last year, so completely changed, yes.